moms. This is kind of like the queen ant, where the mom is placing epigenetic markers on the baby to change his identity to help the future welfare of the family. It's as if the mom was saying, I'm in trouble here. I need a kind and clever ally to help me hold this family together. So to summarize, if the family is flush with plenty of kids, and or it's a stressful place and time, nature occasionally flips these epigenetic switches to turn on the gay genes. This alters brain development that changes sexual orientation and also improves emotional intelligence.